Welcome to Aspen, Colorado, where this brand new luxury home is selling at auction. Market value for this estate tops $20 million, but on auction day, you get to name your own price. Come along and see why this home is the buy of a lifetime. Perched above the Brush Creek Valley on nearly 3 acres, a completely reimagined residence that took nearly 4 years to create.
We believe it is flawless. It has the best of everything.
A home of this quality, this size, this location can't be replicated in the valley.
The owners leveraged more than 60 years of combined experience building and developing luxury homes in Aspen and around the world, and brought it all together right here. The finishes here are second to none. You step down into this lounge, see-through fireplace, and then this wall disappears. You walk right out to this patio and it flows right over into this living room. You have a Venetian plaster wall with custom shelves. This is the ultimate indoor-outdoor experience, and it's also the best value for a luxury home in Aspen. Here are the facts. Right now, luxury homes in the crowded Aspen core are selling for $5,000 and $6,000 a square foot. That would put a price on this home of over $40 million. This home, less than $2,500 a square foot, furnished. Custom millwork, top-of-the-line appliances, smart home technology. Everything was done to complement the lifestyle that comes with owning a home in one of the top destinations in the world.
And I see this home as a large multi-generational home, or for a large group of friends, just a fun, large Aspen chalet for friends and family to enjoy.
Welcome to the primary suite. 12-foot white oak ceiling, stone fireplace, and check out these Benelli glass custom doors and windows. These alone cost $100,000. And it all flows right out to this deck. You have views in every direction. And here's why this location is so incredible. Snowmass Resort, 5 minutes away. Aspen, just 10 minutes away. Basalt, 15 minutes away. You have easy access to the airport, Whole Foods, you name it.
You have 3 championship golf courses, world-class fly fishing, fantastic boutique restaurants. So really this property is on the 50-yard line of what the Aspen Valley has to offer.
And now the owners are teaming up with Elite Auctions to share this rare opportunity with its vast network of global partners and highlight why this home is so unique. The home offers more than 8,200 square feet, 7 bedrooms, all ensuite, many with their own private decks, and it's all above grade. And here's why that's such a big deal. In Aspen, if you want to build a brand new home, the max size allowed is 5,750 square feet. And for about $2 million more, you can buy a development right to give you another 2,500 square feet if the lot allows it. Here, the square footage was grandfathered in because the footprint was already in place. You just can't find this. Relax in the cozy media room and watch a movie, or let the kids take over the bunk room for the ultimate sleepover. And this gym can easily be converted to a caretaker's suite. The level of luxury is impressive, and it shows throughout the home, including right here in the kitchen. Book-matched walnut cabinetry, Miele appliances, double refrigerators, high-gloss accent panels and hood, and the Tartarus stone island. The details and finishes are exceptional. Right now, to build a new luxury home in Aspen is around $2,000 a square foot, and that's not including land costs. Here, everything's been done for you. Check out the spa-infused primary bathroom that includes this slab stone shower, even a heated seat.
With our network of vetting the best craftsmen and subcontractors, we're able to deliver a product bar none.
And what you see is what you get.
What my brother and I like to do is when we turn over a house, it's turnkey. All the furniture, all the plates, forks, knives, and all the art are included.
This is a live, no reserve auction, which means come auction day, whoever has the highest bid is the brand new owner of this incredible home. Contact Elite Auctions, sign up today for this incredible opportunity.